Okay, so this grill here has always been somewhat of a concern to me. There's a radiator behind here for cooling, and these flaps behind the grill open up when it's driving or cooling. My concern has been that bugs and things are going to get trapped in here, and there's really no way to clean it out. Even you can see the mud sort of builds up in this thing already, and I clean it out as best I can, but I'm just worried if I can prevent dirt, debris, bugs from getting in there and getting stuck potentially in the radiator, that's the route I want to go. So EVBase actually reached out to me with a product. I'd like to show it to you guys. I thought it was great because, again, it's something I already considered. So when they said, hey, would you like to show people this? I said yes. So full disclosure, they sent this to me for free. I did not pay for it. I'm really glad they sent it to me though. I think it's a great idea. This is a pretty tough, flexible material. And it came with the screws and the screwdriver and the pads and everything to install it so it doesn't rattle. Here's the kit. Comes in 3 pieces, plus these pads for noise reduction, so they're not rattling and squeaking all the time, and screws to hold it together, each at the end of this. And then this locks in place over the top. There's just some tabs, so it kind of clicks into place. The screws don't go into your vehicle. You don't need to make any holes or anything like that. Don't have to remove anything. It just literally sort of snaps on, and then these screws hold the whole unit in place so it's rigid, and these so it doesn't rattle. Let's get to it. All right, so I put soft fabric tabs on here so they don't rattle. All right, put it together, tightened up the screws. I did do a test fit install, so you can just kind of pop it out again once you've installed it. It's not difficult. So let's go ahead and install it now. Okay, so we're just gonna start at the camera so everything's sort of centered. Push it in, and it fits really nicely. They must have a Rivian that they scan to get these dimensions, because this is absolutely perfect. Cool. So now it's got this mesh along here, so air's still gonna flow through. But you can see if I'm riding on the trail off-road and a rock bounces up that's small enough to go through these cracks, which is, you know, I have a gravel driveway, and all of these rocks would be small enough to go through. So any off-road trail is gonna have some that size all over. They can't go through here now, and the bugs can't get stuck in the radiator and clog it up over time, reducing performance and efficiency. So I'm pretty happy. We'll see what I think about it over time. So use my referral code TD2025 right there, and you'll get 22% off. I thought that was gonna be really noticeable, and I think on camera it shows up a little bit more than it does here in real life, but I actually like it. The vertical flats are obviously a little bit different than the original design. I think it looks good. It's very subtle. You wouldn't notice unless it was your own Rivian. So I think I could park this next to other Rivian owners and they wouldn't even notice. So I'll let you guys know if it whistles or rattles or any of the rest of it. Okay, so I just installed that protector and I'm cruising right now. I have it set at, it's hands-free. I'm very sensitive to squeals and whistles and things, and I'm not hearing anything at all. Drove over some pretty rough roads a little bit ago off the freeway to see if they would rattle, kind of get it to do it on purpose. And yeah, no whistle, no rattle. From behind the wheel, obviously, I have no idea that it's there. So very happy with that. So if you use my code down below, you'll get the 22% off, which brings it down from 80 bucks, $79.99 to about 65. That seems like good value, peace of mind that I'm not going to be getting rocks off of the trail stuck in it and things. not going to be getting bugs stuck in the radiator and clogging it up over the years to come, which I plan to drive this thing for a very long time. So yeah, that's a little peace of mind, something that's kind of a simple no-brainer to put in there. A very quick, easy install. Nothing so far. If at some point it begins to whistle or rattle, I'll update you guys. Easy to remove, easy to install. Anybody can do it in like 10 minutes or less. So very cool. No holes or anything to damage your own Rivian. Super simple. Thank you, EVBase, for reaching out to me and letting me show viewers that. That's cool.